One day, I decided I want to make a butterfly. And so I started doing exactly that. I started with color white and I started creating shapes. They had to be symmetrical. So what I did is I painted one shape on one side and repeated that shape right away on the other side. And so on and on. And I added more colors and more shapes. And I kept repeating each shape one after another on the opposite side. And finally, I made a butterfly. Hello. I really enjoy creative freestyling. There are no rules and no expectations. You just follow the flow of the things, the curve of the face, the brightness of the color. And it's really joyful. I never know where it will take me. Sometimes it could be something amazing, sometimes it can be like, Either way, I think it's worth it either way. I love to let my hand guide me. I have this black background and I thought maybe I should try it and try using it and paint myself in it. Like, you can't really see me, but I'm still there. So yeah, I think I will experiment more in this direction, and today is just something I tried. A colorful butterfly. Whee!